Hello everyone, I am Alefe. God willing, I'll become a civil servant. My grades are very good, and after graduating, I think we'll go to the village this year. The village will be very beautiful. Hap- Hopefully, that's a very nice wish. They said my biggest wish come true this year. My biggest will wish come true this year. Okay, very good. My English is B1, B2, C1, C2. My English is very good in level. If you know English, you can speak English. Okay, very nice. See you later.